Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today I am walking through the Disney outlet in Camarillo, California. I went right after Christmas, so I went on the 26th with my brother, and I just wanted to walk through and show you everything that was still left over for the 25% sale. So let's hear all about it. We have some cats. Everything's an additional 25% off. So go crazy, Brian. I told Brian I'd get him something. $20. Mickey and Minnie. I don't know if these are on sale though. No. Alpacas. Oh, they'd be $8. $10. Do I need them? No. But they're $10. So it'd be what, 8? Well, I'll think about you. Buzz Lightyear toys. $26, $11. This toy, I don't think this one's on sale though. Halloween merchandise, $13. Look how cute. $14. This is really cute. For baby Lila, that's really cute actually. Oh, that's Brian. $26. These wall arts. Maybe I should get this for Kat. How heavy is it? Huh. Would she like it? I don't know. There's Baby Yoda. It's $11. Some little baskets, $3. That's not bad. These t-shirts are $13. We keep walking. We have some Coco pillows. They used to have the throws, but they don't have them anymore. But these are $20. They're not my favorite. These Madame Leosas are gorgeous. They're $76. I think these are puppy costumes. $13. Some shirts. Why is this one $20? What is it? I think it's like a figure. More t-shirts. $8. Wow, these are $8. Ornaments, $8. Quasimodo's $8. Should I get them? I don't know. Great Mouse is $8. Atlantis is $8. Great Mouse. We have some Stitch, $15, $30 for Space Mountain. Some Christmas bowls, $30. Christmas lantern, $25. More Halloween, $3. Little shirts. Oh, $5. $5, pretty cheap. Spare jersey. This was not here when I came. Let's see how much this is. $44. All of these spare jerseys are extra smalls. Some shirts, Star Wars, Buzz Lightyear. These like celebration ones. $71. $35. Some button-ups. I did buy this jacket already. The Orange Bird jacket. $50, and they have Orange Bird shirts. $60. I don't think these are on sale though. Only the yellow stickers or orange stickers are on sale. You have some hats. Black Widow. Some phone cases. iPhone 8, 6. What is this? Oh, napkins for $3. This is kind of cute. You get like 4 matching ones. The candles, they're so expensive though. $21. And some shorts. Sizes vary. $25. $15. We have racks of dresses. Orange Bird, $80. $3. Oh, $6. These pens are cute. They're but they're 50. More dress shop. I'm not sure the price on this one. 45. Haunted Mansion. Some pants. Ooh, psychedelic. Not sure how much this is. 13. More dress shop. This is Haunted Mansion. Haunted Mansion. $60. PJs. They're nice actually. 27. Got some hoodies. These ones have been here a while. But they're still 30. National Geographic. Star Commander. These Encanto ones have been here a while too. Still 25. Some Spirit jerseys. Oh, this one's new. I don't remember this one. This one's 30. Chippendale was here last time we came in October. 25. So a lot of this is stuff that's been here a while. I think this one's new. This one's 18. A couple t-shirts. They do have a couple of Coach items, including a fanny pack and a wallet, and this would be 100 with 25% off, so 75. We have some tank tops. This one's interesting, 13. We have Daisy and Chippendales, and we have a very angry Donald. Mickey and, ooh, Ursula's cool. She's 8. She's very cool. This one's extra large. I wonder what the range is. The range here for each shirt, it could be like the shirts are all one size or they could vary. Like this one's extra small. This one's a large. So this one, it looks like they have a size of each. Very cool. And then kids section. A lot of little swim, little outfits. Oh, look at the shorts. $13, very cute. There's Brian trying on things. Spirit jerseys for kids, 18. What's this? Oh, little hoodies. So cute. I know everything's little, but it still shocks me when I see it. And there's a bunch of costumes, like kid costumes, $25. Down here, 78 for adults, 72 for adults. Their shoes. What is this? Blanket? Towel? $18. Some shoes. Kitty bought this for baby Lila. It's 20 now. Toys. Nemo's. Nemo clothing. $10. What's this one? Oh, $2. I don't know if she has it already. $10. Baby stuff. I probably will get this for baby Lila. It's 13. It's so cute. There's other like little costumes and onesies. This onesie's pretty cute too. 18. There's Pooh Bear, $32. There's a blanket for 30. Feels okay. More of this. Some of them are on extra sale, so this one would be like 6, but the ones without the little tag, they're 14. So all of these would be 14, which is not bad. They do have the 2022 Mickey for 13. What do you think of these? They would be $8.
Only Chip and Dale dancers. Are they together?
Yeah. So? I don't need them?
The teeth is weird.
That's why he's called Dale, because he has a Dale. I think that's what this is called. When you have like a gap between your two teeth, it's called a Dale.
Oh.
At least that's how it was explained to me. This one, it's chip because it's chocolate chip.
Oh. Okay. Wow.
There's a little mat for $17. They have this. Oh, they have one left. Wow.
Have a good day.
They had a lot when I came.
Welcome in.
Some jackets for puppies. Some PJs. All the ears are gone, $25. And then these are $17, and then there's like those over there that are $17. The only thing they have left is gold tumblers now. All of the other ones are gone. Yeah, and these are ornaments. So the store is just normal priced items, so I won't go through them. But just normal priced items. On the corner over there, there is house. I'll show you, but everything else is just normal price in this side. We have some Dooney and Burke's, $2.37. The Christmas one. I don't know how much this one is. Let me look. Oh, these don't have a price either. Oh, $117. $198. And then they do have a cocoa for $2.37, which is still very expensive. They have Crocs, if you're into Crocs. Brendan, sorry for touching it. $35. Normal price. Normal price on sale. Normal price, normal price. 17, 21, 35. They do have a lot of these Mickey Mouse ones. This one's kind of cute actually. Tiki room. And then these princess ones have been here forever. They're like $20, $10. There's so many of them. We have socks, 11 and 8. They have the Skyliner. Is it on sale or normal? I'll have to ask. I'm gonna ask. It's probably normal. They have earpod cases for $15. And then pins. President's Day is $7. Food and Wine is $4. Pretty much the same ones. I don't know that he's on sale. $2.99 probably.
And a 25% additional discount.
$150, huh? Hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Let me know if you enjoy walkthroughs like this so I can do more. I will do a whole other video with a haul of everything I bought. The reason it's a different video is because I also went to the outlets over in San Francisco, so I put it together. So look out for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, adios.